So welcome back into the schematic work channel. Now in this video we see how we can download and install a Tinkercad software totally free in 2026. So let's start this video. First of all, open any kind of browser and search for it Tinkercad keyword. Now click on this web page tinkercad.com. Now you need to be click on this sign up button for using a Tinkercad, and now they ask for creating the account. So now create a personal account here, sign in with Google, or you can sign in with the Apple ID, and there are the more option for a sign in. Okay, I go with the sign in with Google. Now they ask me for choosing my email, and after choosing my email they take a permission for assessing my profile name and profile picture, and after that they ask me this thing. I need to choose my country and birthday and click on next. They ask to set my username and set the password, and then click on link button, or you can skip that step also if you want, and then click on continue. So in that way your Autodesk Tinkercad account is created, and you can easily assess the different kind of projects, or you can initiate the new project like a blank projects, and you can work on it. So there are the 3D design, so click on this and then your 3D designing project, blank project is created. This is for circuits and this is for code block. So now I click on this one for just example, create your first circuit design. The blank page open for the circuit, and this is the canvas, and I can put the different component here. I put the breadboard here, and I can wire it here, and we can shuffle the things here, we can rotate it. So in that way you can place the component on a breadboard, and then you can do the wiring in that way. Okay, you can do the wiring and delete it. So now you can change the color of the wire. It is the red wire, this is the black wire. So in that way you can change the color. Okay, now polarities, I just shift the polarities. Okay, now in that. Okay, now right now, so the question arises in our mind how we can download and install, because in the starting of the video I say I show you this download and install, but downloading and install is not possible in the case of Tinkercad. It's online version. So now I just be go into the dashboard of this Tinkercad, and then I just be give you some methods for direct accessing that web page without net, and you can't be access it, but we make it more easy to accessible. So now here you see this is the bookmark option, so you can click on it and you can create a bookmark directly. So according dashboard of Tinkercad bookmark is created. I simply click on it after opening my browser, and then this run automatically, this dashboard. And the second method is this one, install the Tinkercad option you see here. Maybe in your Chrome it's not coming, but I'm using the Chrome as a browser, and I'm using the latest version of the Chrome. So in the latest version of the Chrome they mostly give you this option of installing the web page. Okay, I click on it and I click on install here. Now you see this, in that way they create a simple the software wise Tinkercad. Okay, now I click on this three dot, and he say that this is the app info. Okay, this is the app. Open in the Chrome, uninstall the Tinkercad, and these are the different options here. So now I just be close it here. So now you see there is the Tinkercad is in the case of like the software they installed in my computer you say, but it run automatic, it's run with the internet, otherwise it's not running. So I double click on it. Now you see when I double click on it, then instead of Chrome is open, it's open in the Chrome, but in the way of they open like a software. Okay, so in that way you can create a you can download and install the Tinkercad in your PC. Please share and subscribe this channel.